Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on INFINIX Hot 60i. Alright, so we need to open up our WhatsApp. Once we are here, click on those three dots in the top right corner and now open up the settings. Now we need to find the chats. Now click on Chat Backup. Okay, let's begin with Google account. Simply tap on that, and currently in my case this Google account is selected, and it means that on that account our backup will be saved and stored in the Google Cloud, to be more precise. So for example, if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the same Google account that you have selected right in here during the backup process. Of course, if you want, you can click on Add Account and sign in into different Google account. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case, as you can see, I put it only monthly, which means that each month the backup will be automatically made and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing, convenient feature, so if you want you can pick between those modes available on the screen. Let's also include the videos in our backup, make sure it's enabled. And on the bottom we have an extra security feature, it's end-to-end encrypted backup. It's not necessary to turn it on, but if you choose to, in here you'll be able to create a unique password that you will need to type in the future, in the moment when you want to restore your backup. But be aware that if you create that password and when you forget it, you won't be able to restore anything and everything will be lost. So if you choose to create it, simply don't forget it. Alright, also we need to make sure that we have some free Google storage space. In my case I have a lot, so I don't need to worry. And now click on backup button to start the process. In my case it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Okay, it's already finished. We can take a look on the hour of the last backup. It's the same, so it's like a confirmation that everything went successfully. Down below we can also see the size of our backup. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.